rope is like this, behind the back. Okay, so when you let go, it's straight. Okay, generally, when hawak mo na like that.
Yan.
Kind of like you're pushing the wall away. Yeah. Good job. Good job, dear. Nice one. Yeah, tama yan. Dahan-dahan. Take your time.
You can do it. It's like the grip in the pull-up bars.
Go in the middle, Brent. Middle side.
Yeah.
Good job, Ren. Diba? 1 feet high. Good job, dear. I got you. Yeah, good job. Yeah, straight arms. Good. Push legs.
Yeah. You're almost halfway there. Wow, strong arms.
Sit back. Sit back.
Nalala ko nung bata siya, naulog siya.
Keep going.
Use your thumb. Good. Okay. Hands higher. Try to shake your other hand. Press a bit, right? That's okay.
Sa right side. Go in the yellow part.
Nice one, dear. Right foot up. Right foot here. Good job.
Good job, dude.
Nice one here. Oh, both feet up. Nice. Yum, yeah, that's a good move. How's your hands? That's good.
Transferable ba yung 1 arm mo?
Later.
Oh, yeah.
Five. Ano height yan?
9 meters. 30 plus. More than 30.
Great job, dude.
See.
Hawak sa rope.
Hold on the rope. Yeah, 2 hands daw. 2 hands on the rope. No, rope.
Your own rope.
Hawak ka dun sa red one.
The red one. Red.
Yan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Got you. No worries.
Oh,
Yan.
sit down. No, sit.
They got you, Brent.
Sit down.
Wall.
Yan.
Feet lang sa wall. Hold
Feet
ka
on
lang
the
sa
wall,
rope.
Brem.
No, hold the rope, Bram, not the
Hold the
stones.
rope.
Yan.
Yan. It's like walking lang, okay? Feet
Yan.
flat sa wall.
Feet flat daw sa wall, Brem. Both straight.
Bram.
Don't hold sa rope. Hold still. 2 hands sa rope. 2 hands sa
Brem,
rope.
that's-
No, you listen.
Yan.
Yan. Drop your back.
Hawak ka lang sa rope with 2 hands.
Hindi.
Hold your the
Yan.
rope.
Ah.
You don't need to do that, Brem. They're helping you go down.
Step on the wall. Yan.
Step on the wall.
Yan. That's it.
Yan.
And gently step
Oh,
on.
don't hold, don't
the
hold.
rope.
Hindi niya lang yung ganun, oh. Yung sa pader na ganyan.
Alright. Good job,
Wow.
Ian. Oh.
You're up to the ceiling now, dude.
Sit down, darling friend.
Sit down, sit down. Hold the rope. Yan. Just sit. Don't stretch your legs.
Sit down. Yan.
Yan. Let just fall.
Push your
Push
feet
it. Push
on the
it
wall.
out.
Yan, like that.
Yan, like that. Oh, push it out.
Yan.
Let go.
It's like you're just
Yan.
Yan.
Very good. See?
Perfect. Wow. Oh, see? It's easier. Isn't it? Yan, like that. Push.